Here we are, Mount Baldy, just above the village. It's snowing. Ow! Torque wrench. I'm gonna film all over again now that I have it on. Snowing. Waiting for the plow to come so we can drive down behind him.
Baldy. We have the entire mountain to play on.
And we picked this spot here.
There we are.
Very pretty. Very pretty porta potties.
Ow.
Snow falling with reckless abandon. Ow. One on the leech.
That's a lot more snow coming out of the sky.
Yes, there's a lot of snow coming out of the sky. There is mucho nieve falling from the cielo. O sea, it's snowing, Ming. Oh dear. You torque wrench? Wipe off your Mickey Ficton.
Now you look like you have one ear.
Ongel on the leash. Oh!
Get an itch. For my hat falling down on me.
Alright, is the bed of the truck full yet? You missed me. You're like 2 inches from me and you missed me.
You have a huge head. I don't know how
I know. I don't know how you missed me. Me and my big old pumpkin. Uh-oh.
Not an inch. Not an inch. No way!
Look at that. We're going to take that
If you
home
knock
to
the snow
Jerry.
down, knock it into the bed.
Yep. Another couple hours, 3 hours or so, we'll have it all nice and filled up.
Yeah.
Drive down the mountain.
We got a pool now!
And then we'll drive home.
I'm done.
And it'll be, ya se fue el snow.
Oh,
You okay?
ass. You're done.
Jerry did it.
Come on, snowplow. Here, snowplow, 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 snowplow. Here comes a vehicle, but that is not a snowplow, snowplow, snowplow. Let's go trout fishing. Now it's snowing.
I got water.
Snow angel.
No. Snow angel, no fun. I was holding it in my mouth.
Recording from his mug.
That iPhone is just the right size. I can stick it in my mouth while I put my gloves on. I almost gagged. I was like, ah! Holy frijoli. We probably got about at least an inch since we've been sitting around here. Look at all the mistletoe up there. Up in the Nicky Ficton tree. Oh, something's coming. Something's coming down the hill.
It's a car.
Oh, bummer. Hello.
Hello.
Jerry went to the snow.
Who?
Jerry.
Jehoshaphat? We forgot our picnic basket. We could have had a picnic.
Pass.
Let's see how much snow is on the picnic bench. Jerry and Jill. Picnic bench.
Oh look, it's not gonna get empty.
Yeah, fresh powder here, Ming. Let's see how much is on the table here. Oh, that's probably,
A lot.
that's about 2 inches.
That much. That much.
Would you cut it?
I love you.
We got about 2 inches of snow on the Mickey Ficton table here.
Look at all the snow on the tree.
Yep. Got about 2 inches up there, too.
Yay. My hands are cold. All the snow is here. Whoa. Whoa. Look at my penguin, Mom.
Your hands are going to freeze off.
There's no penguin. Found it.
Off we go. Off we are.
Krista has a snowplow.
Yeah, no kidding. Just have her stick to the front there.
Can I throw it at you?
Ow, dork.